Morning everyone, welcome to Mailbox Minute. So let's see what she brought me. Alright. Something big, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Alright, so the first one is a cloud mold. So it's got a little smiley face. I'm guessing this is, ooh, there's lots of molds. There's an arc de triomphe. Another cloud. Oh my goodness. Chicken. A rooster. Let's go slow. This is a cloud that's moving by. The arc de triomphe. And a big smiley face. Okay, there's more in here. Oh my goodness, there's way, way more in here. I got crazy this day. There's a little teeny tiny cloud. I was obsessed with these little rainbow clouds. So I had to get a few in to see what I could do with them. Oh, guess what that is? Superman, Batman, and Mr. America. Captain America. I'll be doing some fun stuff with those. In beds for superhero soap, maybe. We love superheroes. Oh, this is neat. So I got some more of my Woodland Creatures, if you recognize that. I got an entire new set, and this is all Great Britain. So I'm going to be doing a British soap, which should be really fun, because I love Great Britain. We are in British Columbia. After all, I've been to London. I haven't been to France. Yeah. So we'll be doing a London theme soap. It's going to be super fun, and I think there's more in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, so I got two of these. I'm planning on doing quite a bit with the superhero soap. So that's coming up. Whoop, whoop. And maybe even some superhero bath bombs. I need to do some natural stuff. So, yeah, lots coming up. Yay! If you enjoyed this, click like and subscribe. And please come back next time for the next Mailbox Minute. Bye for now.